guys, so today's pre-recorded video is pretty quick and short, so let's take a look at it. So we are going to continue with unit circle and then exact trig values, and I'll just show you the example. Before I show you any example, we look at the first and second quadrant of the unit circle in class today, right? But if you didn't have time to copy, like please pause the video and copy it right now. Positive and negative, stuff like that, you don't really have to worry about it. First quadrant, everything is positive basically. Second quadrant, you know, y is positive, that's why your sign is positive, but everything else is like a negative number. So this is why it's negative. But as I say, I am not going to ask you secant, cosecant, and cotangent. So all you have to worry about is cosine and sine. And just make sure cosine will be always your x coordinates, and then sine will be your y coordinates. Oops. That's all you have to know. So the first number is going to be always x, which means cosine value. And then second number, which is your y coordinates, will be always your sine value. That's all you have to know. And you know, once you have completed the unit circle, it's pretty much easy. Okay, so that's first and second quadrant. And we also have third and fourth quadrant, which is the lower portion of the unit circle. If you want to pause the video and copy the rest, go ahead. Or if you already Googled about unit circle and have everything, then that's totally fine. You're awesome, okay? All right, so let's take a look at example number 1. First question is saying find the cosine of 225 degree. Okay, how are we gonna do, right? So I am not really asking 6 trig function in this case. I just want you to find cosine of 225 degree. When you do homework, please read. Sometimes I put cosine, sometimes I put sine, so you have to be really careful about it. So let's look at it. 225 is supposed to be in the unit circle because I told you guys have to use unit circle today. So let's take a look at it. Where is 225? 225 is bigger than 180 degrees, so it should be in third quadrant, right? 225 degree. Okay, there's 2 value, but I mean, in this case, it's a pretty much same thing, so it's easier. So cosine of 225 is negative square root of 2 over 2. But sine will be also, in this case, it's the same number, which is negative square root of 2 over 2. So let's go back to example number 1. We are finding cosine of 225, which is negative square root of 2 over 2. That's it. Done. So easy, right? So make sure you guys have completed the unit circle chart with you during the module 8 test or final exam because, you know, you just have to read. Next example, find the sine of 300 degree. Okay, so I am going to find the 300 degree. It should be in your fourth quadrant right here. And they're asking for sine. Sine will be your y value, so the second one. So it's negative root 3 over 2. Oops. And that's it. Last example, find the sine of 5 pi over 6. Okay, now my degree is, my angle is in radian. It doesn't really matter once we have completed the unit circle. Let's try to find 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 is here, second quadrant. It's actually 150 degree when you look at it. So in this case, cosine is negative root 3 over 2 and sine is going to be 1 over 2. So let's go back to example number 3. Here they're asking for sine, so your answer is positive 1 over 2. Done. And of course, some people are wondering, Miss, can I just use calculator? Why not? But make sure if your angle is in radian, your calculator has to be in radian. If your angle is in degree, your calculator has to be in degree. So please be careful when you're using calculator. But again, if you have a unit circle chart, everything's just gonna work. Okay, so thank you. That's about it. Submit your notebook, please, and then do unit circle practice problem. As you see, it's really, really easy, right? So please do it. It's only 8 questions, multiple choices. It's due on Sunday, but it's gonna take only 1 minute to complete, right? So please do it. And for my 4th and 6th period, I'll be gone next to Tuesday, which is April 27. So Miss Kim and Miss Brown will cover my class. So you just come to my class as usual. Cohort B and C, you guys don't have to worry about it because it's online. But cohort A, you guys are coming to my classroom, and then you will see the sign on the door. I'll say, go to room blah, blah, blah. So for example, fourth period, go to room 900 or something like that. Then you go to that room. That's going to be either Miss Kim or Miss Brown's room, right? And then you guys just sit there and then watch my live lesson video because I will pre-record. And then complete the assignment as usual during the asynchronous time. Okay? And for people who are staying in home, cohort B and cohort C, if your camera is on, as usual, I'll give you the points. I'll tell Miss Kim and Miss Brown, please write their name down for me. So you guys will just get the notebook credit as well. Okay, hopefully this is clear. And then if you have any questions, just email me. And I'll see you guys next week. And please be safe and happy weekend. Bye-bye.